Now this is a relaxing roof deck space. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a great find, a 3-bedroom quality prime townhome located here in M Residences in Capitol Hills, Quezon City. So this property is just a few minutes away from Katipunan Avenue and Ayala Heights. It also has fast access towards Commonwealth Avenue as well, towards the rest of Metro Manila. So this property is just about to turn over and we are listing it in the market. So let's take a look first at its beautiful facade. It's very clean, minimalist, and modern. In terms of the size of the property, it has a lot area of 128 square meters and a floor area of approximately 300 square meters. And let's begin by taking a look at the parking area. So this is designed to fit about 3 vehicles. And it's partially covered here. You have a faucet on one side for washing the cars, and you also have a covered outlet here in case you need to do vacuum cleaning for the cars also. And you have a large, almost floor-to-ceiling window here leading towards your living space. Let's head on over towards your main entry with a cool wooden design. Now welcome to your beautiful home. So you have an open plan living, dining, and kitchen space. So it has a nice rectangular shape, plenty of natural light from 2 sides of the property. So you have light coming in from this side and then also on this side. Ceiling height also is quite considerable, and I'm liking the positioning of the lighting. The lighting is also quite warm, and it has a very hotel-like feel. Flooring is tiles with a wooden design, and the gray look complements the kitchen area as well. So to give you an idea, you can have your living room set on this side, and then your dining table on this side, and then you have your kitchen space. Okay? So very well built with a dual sink space. You even have a waste bin hidden away here. Well-built cabinetry, even an area for utensils. And you have this glass area leading towards a light well. So this gives natural ventilation and lighting to all 3 levels of the property. Now, on this side, this leads towards your staff room. And then you see even the lighting is consistent in this room. This is where you have your circuit breakers, and then you have a bath area. And if you want to potentially customize this space in the future to make it an additional auxiliary kitchen space, there's water provision here in terms of the piping, and there's also a provision here for gas as well. And you have an area here at the side. You can open this up. So this property here is set to have another townhome, but of course this is an additional area. This can be an amenity space. This is also an area where air can flow once a property is built here. And you have a powder room right here. One thing that stands out to me immediately for this property is the lighting. It's very elegant, and we're shooting this video in the late afternoon, and as the sun comes down, the lighting becomes more dramatic in a way. This is an additional area here. You have a faucet space here and drainage, because this can be allotted as a laundry space as well. So you can have your washer dryer on this side. Okay. Let's head on up. And what I'm noticing is how clean and minimalist the staircase is. You have a floating staircase design, and see how thick the tempered glass is. And it's very sturdily installed. And then adding to the facade, you have these windows all along the staircase area, so you have all that ambient light. And now we're gonna explore the first bedroom in the house, the primary bedroom or master bedroom. The first thing I also notice here is how high the clearance is for the doors. And here we go. So this is a customized Kiara unit. So there was a standard layout, but this was changed to become a much bigger master bedroom. Initially, the bedroom was just supposed to be up to this area, but they pushed it back so that you have a larger room. And you see how well it turned out, because you have all this natural light in this corner room. You can easily have a queen-sized bed on this side and still have plenty of space left over for like a lounge area, and you can have your television set on this side. Okay? So I'm gonna walk over here so you can appreciate the size once again. And it has a spacious balcony. Now we're here at the balcony. Now one nice touch that I saw is you have a faucet here, especially if you want to take care of some plants. And I like the height of the tempered glass here. This is excellent, especially if you have young kids. And once again, very sturdy in terms of the construction. And now let's head on in. And the windows are all sturdy quality PVC. One thing I noticed also about this property is the quality of the light switches. I like how crisp they are and how well designed they are in terms of the look. It feels very cohesive with the design. So here you have the bathroom. Okay. You have a sliding door for space saving, and then you have an exhaust fan, but still you have a window here for natural light, and of course you have a tempered glass shower enclosure right here. Okay. And the brand that they use is Brabant, which is a quality bath fixture brand. And also, this countertop is so elegant. Lots of space for your toiletries as well, and then that large mirror. And there will be an air conditioning unit for all the bedrooms. Okay. So they're just about to be installed. Now, before we head on up, I just want to show the cabinetry. Lots of storage. What stands out to me is how clean and elegant the feel is. The choice of the materials that they used fits very well with the aesthetic of the rest of the property. Another nice touch is the design of the wall. Instead of having that plain, smooth wall, they have this textured wall design for the property. So it adds a little character, even though the color is almost monochromatic. That gives it that differentiation from the door frames. Okay? So here we have the second bedroom. So immediately you have your bathroom here. Let's take a look at it first. So it's an ensuite bathroom. So here we go. So tempered glass once again. Very well laid out, and you have a floating sink design here. And even a nice touch, they made sure to have an additional storage area here with that tempered glass shelf. And then you have that bedroom right here. Okay? And then this window leads to the light well. So you still have that ambient light. And then built-in cabinetry. So this is excellent also for families who have young kids also. So, and also if you are coming from a very large property and you're looking to downsize to a property that's very manageable but at the same time still very luxurious. So this is a great find. For example, you're coming from like 1,000 square meter property, but you want a secure community. This is a great find. Now let's head on up towards the third level. Now we're here at the third level. Once again with that large mirror. And you see how clean your staircase looks. And let's take a look now at the third bedroom, and this comes with a great surprise. Let's take a look here first from this angle. So once again, you have that window leading towards the light well. This is more spacious than the second bedroom. You can have like even a queen-sized bed here. Television set on the other side. Built-in cabinetry right here. And what's nice is even though we're already at the third level, the ceiling height has not been compromised. Still quite high. And then you have an ensuite bathroom once again. And the design is intelligent such that it maximizes the light well, so you have a window for ventilation here. Okay. And of course, this bedroom has a spacious balcony roof deck space. So this is a fantastic party area, family gathering space, and you have privacy from the next unit as well. So I can imagine even having like 2 or 3 tables here. And this is also an excellent place for exercising. And what's nice is you also have a very quiet area to just meditate and relax. And what's nice is if you're up here, you can be viewed from the street space in terms of the angle. Okay, so here's another view. So if you'd like, you can even make this room your master bedroom if your priority is this space. And there's also an outlet here and a faucet if you want to have like plants here and potted plants, and if you want to make this like a workstation area. So that wraps up our quick house tour. In summary, we're here right now at M Residences in Capitol Hills. So this development is almost basically sold out, but this is a rare find, a customized 3-bedroom Kiara unit. And if you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message through Instagram and Facebook, and now also through TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.